Hello friends, today we will be learning how to do sensitivity analysis in Excel. Sensitivity analysis in Excel is done through a data table function. What is sensitivity analysis? It is simply finding out the impact of multiple variables on one particular variable or desired variables. So let us try to see it with one small simple example. Say there is an organization which is selling certain products, the cost of which is 1500 per unit. The COGS, that is cost of goods sold, is 74%. The interest expenses are 3,50,000 and the units sold currently are 75,000. So you want to see the impact of two variables on the net income or the profit of the organization. So let us first calculate the profit at the current levels. The sales are 1500 per unit multiplied by the number of units sold, minus you have to deduct the cost of goods sold from it, that is equal to 74% of the sales value. It gives you the operating profit of the organization, which is simply sales minus cost of goods sold. The interest amount for the organization is fixed at rupees 3,50,000 per annum, and this gives us our net income at these current levels, which we can find out by deducting interest from the operating profit, and it gives us the profit as 2 crores 89 lakh rupees at these current levels. Now you want to find out the impact of change in cost of goods sold as it is in terms of percentage, and the selling price if of the organization keeps on changing. Say the current level we will consider as the middle point, and if there is a change to 1200 units sold or 1350 units sold, 1650 units sold and 1800 units sold. The COGS presently is 74%. We'll consider that again as a middle point. It is not necessary to consider that as a middle point. You can put any variables or any changes into it you want. We'll consider 66% as the COGS of the organization at some level, 70% at some level, 76% at some level, and maximum it can go is, say for example, 80%. Now you want to find out the impact of these two variables, change in these two variables on the profit of the organization. But now to make it more understandable and readable, first let us format the sales a bit. We will try to format the sales first. So that we can find out, or it looks sufficiently better to us. Okay, and rest of the things we'll put in a table so that it is easily identifiable to us. Now you want to find out the impact of it on the profit. So you will have to link it, profit or net income you call it. You will have to link it with the particular variable, desired variable with which you want to link or you want to find the impact of, and that has to be in this particular cells only at the middle of the two changing variables. And now you have to select the entire table, go to data tab wherein you have what if analysis and data table as a function. Now your row inputs are selling price. So you have to go to the assumptions from where you are linking the entire table. Your column input cells are cost of goods sold. Again you have to go here into assumptions table and then press OK. It gives you value for all the possible combinations of selling price and cost of goods sold, and you can easily see the impact of it. means at what level how much will be the profit of the organization if there is a change in the cost of goods sold in either ways. Say if for example if the cost of goods sold rises to 80% and selling price goes down to 1200%, how much will be the profit? Or if the COGS goes down to 66% and number of units sold goes up to 1800, what will be the profit of the organization? This way you can find out the impact of two variables on one dependent variable. In goal-seek function it was 1:1. In data table it is two variables as to one variable. It is a very useful function in finance and Excel. For example, in case of valuation, when you are talking about WACC and growth rate, or growth rate and any other variable, say cost of equity or such any combinations you want to check, you can easily calculate it with the help of data table and find out the sensitivity analysis impact of these selected variables on your desired output or desired variable. Hope you understood how to use data table function. Thank you very much guys.